Hello, good evening everyone. Good evening. Hopefully all of you are safe and please be healthy always. Hintay-hintay lang po talaga tayo sa nalalapit nating exam. So, today I posted a sample competition problem sa group chat natin, and this is my simple personalized solutions to the simple problem. Actually, simple pa lang to siya, pero aanoin po natin na magawa natin ng solusyon yung ibang tax computations. Well, we will start with the tax on printing and publication. So, ito yung problem na compute natin. So, from the given problem sa number 1, yung annual receipts gross is 3,500,000. So, it was said in the problem that it is in preceding calendar year. So, the locations are in province and city. So, please be reminded that the tax rate for province is 50% of 1% gross. And then for the city is 75% of 1% gross. Paano po ba natin to maaalalang mas madali yung rate na ito? Pag P, 50. Pag city, 7. So, dali lang, ano? Mas dali lang natin siya maalala. Pag alam natin that it is in province, P, 50, city, 7. 75. So, parang gano'n, no? Okay po ba yung ganong natin? Pag-aalala? So, anyway, sa pag-compute natin, for province, so, nakita po natin dito sa illustration, 3,500,000 times 1% is 35,000, and then, the 50% of that 1%. So, the answer is 17,500. And for the city naman is, times, as what I have said, 75% na lang po yung idagdag natin para makuha natin yung value na 26,250. So sa next problem na gagawa natin ng solution pa rin is yung pag-compute sa tax on printing and publication in a newly started business. I believe merong bagong memorandum, pero hindi naman to na same pa rin naman siya. So, when you start a new business, so the capitalization is multiplied by 1%, then 120, the payable tax on printing and publication for newly started is 1/20 or 0.05% of 1% of the capital. So, ito yung computation natin. 2 million times 1% is 20,000 times 1/20 or 0.05. So, kaya ang payable po is 1,000. For number 3 naman, we compute the individual computation for CTC. Lahat naman tayo nagdadaan doon, lalo na pag nag-18 years old tayo at may work at iba pa, no? So, from the given problem, yung annual salary niya is 120,000 and nagbayad siya ng November 30. So, ika-11 month siya nagbayad. So, paano ba yung computation nito? Basic tax, given na po yun, yung 5 pesos. At saka, there will be an additional tax from the annual salary divided by 1,000 pag individual times 1 peso. So, kaya meron tayong 120. So, i-add po natin yung dalawa, equals 125 pesos. Since nag-pay po siya ng November, so there is an 11 month na natin ng interest or penalty.